নেপালের স্বয়ম্ভূনাথ মন্দিরে আমার সাথে পরিচয় হয় থানকা চিত্রশিল্পী লুপসাম লামার সাথে। তার একটি শিল্পকর্ম আমার সংগ্রহ করার সুযোগ হয়েছে এবং আমার বিশেষ অনুরোধে তিনি একটি শিল্পকর্ম নিয়ে আমাকে বর্ণনা করে শোনান।
Namaste, my name is Lopsang Lama. I am like artist, traditional arts, paintings. So I will explain this picture. This is a whole life of Buddha history. So first year part of Nepal, Lumbini, they are like one kingdom. Buddha was born in Lumbini. So one day Buddha mother Queen Maya Devi singing in the palace. Since during the elephant, white elephant in her dream, then she's become like a pregnant. So some year later, she is reached to visit parents' house. On the way at the Lumbini, there was like one Buddha tree. That under the tree, she took a rest. Suddenly, she gave birth to Siddhartha Gautama, small baby Buddha. That time, walking like 7 steps, 7 lotus flowers blooming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Because his birth Prince Brocas, either will be great honor of the world, will be great yogi to her. His future is two, either great king, either great yogi. So Buddha father, King Suddhodana, they become like more woody. They don't want some like yogi. They want great king. Yeah, because Buddha nature different than other people's. His nature is more kind. He don't see the way any bad things, just kindness. Yeah. Then Buddha father, King Suddhodana, arranged everything, just happiness in the palace, just luxurious life. They don't give any bad things. See any bad things. Yeah, just happiness. When he was young, he get married. Queen Yasodhara, Buddha's wife, and one son, name was Rahula, Buddha's son. Then one day, Buddha wished to visit on countryside. He get some like permission for the father, King Suddhodana, yeah, because he don't go to outside, just inside the palace, just happiness. He's soft in his life. So one day, we used to visit on countryside.